Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from She Buys It. I'm here at church this morning and I want to extend an invitation. If you're coming to She Buys It Live in November, plan on staying through Sunday. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what we got going on in here.
You just need to step back up and come. Just be right with the Lord. Whatever you need to do, when you do it, right with
Come join us. Step back out here so I can talk to you. As you can see, it's just a little country church. You can wear jeans and a t-shirt, you can wear a dress, wear whatever you're comfortable in. Just come as you are. All right? New Hope Baptist Church, Coreyton, Tennessee. I want to pack this place out. There's going to be 118 of us at She Buys It Live out at the Mill and Mines in downtown Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th. All right? But November 10th, I want to invite you to come through these doors right here at New Hope Baptist Church and join me in worship and prayer and living the best Proverbs 31 life that you can live. If we have 118 of you come out here, our church will more than double in size. But please know that these doors are open and they are welcome. Y'all come on to She Buys It Live in Knoxville, Tennessee. Plan on staying through Sunday afternoon so that you can come to church with me. Somebody said, why do I have the event during the week? Well, because as a real estate investor, you're trying to get that financial freedom, but you're really trying to get that time freedom, right? And so I want the event to be during the work week so that if you don't want to stay and come to my little country church, fine, go back home, so that you can be home with your family and go to your church and worship and love your life. But get your work done during the week. All right? Get a ticket to She Buys It Live. I would love to see you so that you can live that Proverbs 31:16 life. She goes to inspect a field and buys it. With her earnings, she plants a vineyard. That's what I want for you. That's what I want for every woman out here. And please know, church is free. If y'all are coming to She Buys It Live, I'll get a bus and we'll drag everybody out here if we have to. It's no pressure if you don't want to come out here, though. It's no big deal. If you want to drive yourself, it's no problem. You can ride your motorcycle if you want to. But just know that you are welcome to come to church with me on Sunday after She Buys It Live. All right? Or make it back home so that you can go to church with your family that Sunday also. Get these deals done, girls. Get your ticket to She Buys It Live. Sunday is just an added bonus. It's not even on the schedule. Come join us Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Find out all about how to buy these houses, how to buy these apartments, how to buy this money, how to buy these vacation houses. Do all of that. And then Saturday, we're going to take a honey hole tour. We're going to go see my houses. Then if you want to stay, if you've got that in your heart and you want to come to church, you want to see, what a different service is like, my church is going to be opening the doors to every woman from She Buys It Live. So come on. We'd love to have you. That's Sunday. That's not on the schedule. That's an extra added bonus. All right. I'll see y'all in November for She Buys It Live. Go to SheBuysItLive.com and get your ticket. Church is free. And if you're in Knoxville, come on out any Sunday. It doesn't have to just be November the 10th. Bye, y'all.